Our top focus, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will formally launch the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme from Gorakhpur shortly. Preparations have been on in full swing for the two-day national convention of BJP's mega outreach program. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister will also be accompanying the Prime Minister. Union Minister Smriti Irani will also participate in the PM Kisan Nidhi scheme launch and provide benefit to 45,000 farmers in Amethi. Under the scheme, the central government will also on the same day make the first installment of Rs 2,000 into bank accounts of beneficiary farmers. It is expected that nearly 25 million farmers will get the first installment in their account by the 31st of March. The central government had already written a letter to all state governments asking for details of farmers falling under the ambit of this scheme. So that's the latest we have for you. Shortly, we will be seeing the Prime Minister in Gorakhpur accompanied by Yogi Adityanath. This is BJP's mega outreach program that we have been speaking about ever since this morning. Preparations have been on in full swing. Let's just give you some details that are on your screens about what the PM's Kisan Dhan scheme is. Under the scheme, the central government will on the same day make the first installment payment of 2,000 rupees in the bank account of beneficiary farmers. It is expected that nearly 25 million farmers will get the first installment in the account by the 31st of this month. All right, so those are live visuals coming in. Prime Minister is at Gorakhpur as we speak. Live visuals coming in. As we mentioned, Yogi Adityanath is there to receive him and will also be with him when this scheme is rolled out in Gorakhpur. The Prime Minister Kisan scheme is a central sector scheme with 100% funding from the Government of India. It has become operational since the 1st of December the year 2018. Under the scheme, an income support of 6,000 rupees per year in 3 equal installments will be provided to small and marginal farmer families having combined land holding or ownership of land of up to 2 hectares. Ashutosh joins me live now. Ashutosh, before we go into the details of this scheme, just tell us what the sentiment on the ground in Uttar Pradesh really has been with this being doled out today.
Well, you know, the day this scheme was announced in the budget session, when I spoke to the farmers, particularly in the eastern Uttar Pradesh, here in Prayagraj to Gorakhpur and several other areas, the farmers were pretty much clear about that 500 rupees per month by the central government will actually not help them at all. However, there could be, a section of farmers, particularly in this extremely rural belt, where it could be some amount can give some relief, because farmers, what they have been looking for, instead of direct cash transfer, and that too as low amount as 500 rupees per month, the government should have subsidized or should have taken any action to provide the fertilizers on the cheapest rate. The farmers are alleging that despite the government make claims, the fertilizers are now easier, the neem coated urea which is available, the farmers are saying the prices have gone high. Subsequently, the electricity rates, which is the state subject, they have been demanding the state in consultation with center should provide the cheaper rate of electricity to the farmers for the agricultural belt. At the same time, also providing a great scale of subsidy on the seeds for these farmers. So what they are looking for, the cheaper fertilizers, cheaper seeds and electricity, but at the same time, the minimum, the supporting price that is announced by because the government has been saying from day one that they have given the MSP some around 150% from last year. But at the ground level, this has not been implemented, and we have seen the level of distress of the farmers from east to west, north to south. And remember, the Hindi heartland belt, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, the electoral result, that itself says a lot, where the farmer distress was the key issue. And that is the reason why we are seeing that the BJP government in center was forced to bring such scheme on the eve of general election. And then you will see the reactions from the opposition parties when they will call it a cash for vote scheme. So this itself says the government knew that farmer distress is going to be a key issue, and probably on the eve of election the government brought such scheme. But how helpful it will be, we'll have to assess we'll have to see the assessment when we'll go to the ground after the cash is transferred in their account.
Also, Ashutosh, a word on Prime Minister Modi visiting Prayagraj after Gorakhpur. It's on his agenda at about 3 o'clock this afternoon, if I'm not mistaken. The focus will be on the Swachh Bharat initiative there?
Prime Minister will be reaching here at around 3 o'clock. And yes, as far as the Swachh Kumbh, Divya Kumbh, the whole, the idea was concerned, let me tell you, since I've been covering Kumbh for around 45 days here, I've stayed here and I've seen that despite the millions of footfall from all across the world, not only from different parts of the country, but all across the world, we have seen footfalls here at Prayagraj, and the sanitization workers took this challenge, and I can see the hygiene, the cleanliness have been remarkable here in Prayagraj. And this is the last leg of the Kumbh, which is going to end up by 10th of March. Prime Minister visiting on this last leg will be meeting sanitization workers. There will be a reward as well from the Prime Minister, and we'll also see Prime Minister addressing a rally here in the Kumbh after taking a holy dip at the river Ganga. So we'll have to see, is there going to be any mega announcement by the Prime Minister? Because I remember when Kumbh was about to start, Prime Minister visited Prayagraj. He inaugurated ICC. He announced several projects for the Uttar Pradesh, because remember, Uttar Pradesh is the key to Delhi, and PM does know about it. And remember this Kumbh also, when Yogi Adityanath was blamed by the opposition party that it is actually an attempt to consolidate the Hindu vote bank. So given to all these narratives by the ruling party and the opposition party, this is going to be a significant visit by the Prime Minister here in Prayagraj.
Ashutosh, thanks for joining me live. I'll keep coming back to you for more as and when there are developments both in Gorakhpur.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you will love to.